This stop at Lake Tahoe wasn't really about the place. It was about what we chose to prioritize.
Well, there's Tahoe.
I think that kayaking could be a little exciting here.
Piece of cake.
It's
A lot of boats, huh?
Yes. This would be an easy kayak.
What do you think?
I
What is it,
think
70
it's
degrees?
beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. I didn't expect it to be this windy.
I know.
You know, before we actually got to Tahoe, I think that we both felt like it was going to be an easy, scenic stop.
Yeah, I mean, a big blue lake, a little bit of kayaking, scoping out a few bears.
Yeah, and at first it really did feel like that.
We finally made it camping to Lake Tahoe, and we are desperate to be able to kayak somewhere on the lake. We really want to kayak at Emerald Bay, which is this beautiful place right behind me. But all of the parking lots are full, and we're just kind of previewing to try to get here maybe later this week, actually tomorrow. Tomorrow's our last day here. This is a really short stop. We're gonna wish that we were here longer. So right now we haven't found a way down there. We don't know if we're gonna be able to kayak there, but we're trying. This is not a great parking lot for big trucks.
Once we started to focus on Emerald Bay, that's when things really started to feel cramped. We had dinner plans with friends that night, so we came back the next day.
Emerald Bay has a shuttle.
Love that.
Yeah.
We came back the next morning, and that's when it started to sink in why people experience Emerald Bay the way that they do.
I really thought the kayaking in Emerald Bay just might happen until we got down there.
Really?
Yeah.
That's actually when I decided I was gonna let it go.
When I saw the rentals, that's when it kind of clicked for me.
Okay, fair enough. You know, I think that's actually the point in time where I realized that Tahoe was a lot bigger than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
Loving that castle.
I know. Pretty neat.
Very neat. No, that's a California waterfall. That is not an Oregon waterfall.
Right. Keep walking, sister.
Coming down into Emerald Bay is when it really clicked for me. That's when Tahoe stopped feeling like an easy stop and started feeling bigger than the time that we gave it. You know, looking back on things, I feel like we treated Tahoe more like a stop between people rather than a destination itself.
That part was really intentional.
It was, and I do feel really good about that. Yeah.
That's RV life in a nutshell.
It
actually.
is.
Yeah.
It is, but I think there are some places that actually just ask more of you.
Yeah, Tahoe definitely does, no doubt.
I agree.
Yeah. I don't regret how we did it.
Me neither, but it also became really clear.
That Tahoe deserves more time than we gave it.
I agree with that, and that we know that we need to come back.
Yeah, definitely.
If you like these quieter RV moments where we slow down and take the time to reflect on our decisions, the next video is another moment where things didn't feel quite right and we had to trust our instincts. See you over there.